Okay, I'm about to upload a video now. So I just thought, okay, let me use this opportunity and make this particular video. This is a new feature I just discovered on YouTube, which is called YouTube A/B testing. Sorry, thumbnail testing. So what this does is that it helps you to upload at least 2 or 3 thumbnails in one video, and from there you now be coming to check which one perform very well. After a specific time, you now come to check which one attracts your audience the more, which one is performing well. So from there you can now choose to upload the best one that has the more views and the more engagement on your YouTube video, right? So these features allow you to test different thumbnails and all of those stuff like that. So it helps you to understand what your current or potential audience want to see. Do you understand? And what will now give your content a stronger chance with YouTube algorithm. So what you want to do is to, I'm on my YouTube studio already. So in case you are not on your YouTube studio, I know that if you're a YouTuber, you know how we go to this extent, right? So you've seen where thumbnail is, okay? If you can add it, you can upload it from there. You can choose auto generated, so it will generate from part of your videos, or you can choose test and compare, which you see here, okay? So when you now choose test and compare, you'll be asked to upload at least 2 or 3 thumbnails for you to see the one that perform best, which one your viewer click on the most. So I have made 3 thumbnails for this particular video, and that's what I want to do just now. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and upload the first thumbnail. Okay, I don't know if I can select that one. Okay, let me just try and see. So that's that. You click on, okay, I'll go ahead and click on the first thumbnail, and you click on done, and you wait for it to load. So after that, you click on the second one. You just go ahead and select the thumbnail you want to use for this same video, right? It's just a different design, but the main purpose is for this same video. So you go ahead and click on the third one. Remember I told you that I can upload 2 or 3 thumbnails. If you don't have up to 3, like mine, I had to design 3 thumbnails for this particular video. So you now click on this. After that, you now click on done. So when you click on done, after you might have uploaded this video, you'll be coming here to check the one that performed the most, the one that best suits your viewers' interest, and from there you can now decide to like upload. You can see how the 3 thumbnails is displaying here. Okay, you can now see what to do and all of those stuff like that.